Hello there, Space Cats. This is just a 2-minute quick update because I'm not going to bring out the video that I thought I was going to bring out on Friday, which is all about bleed and no bleed. So what the heck have I been up to? Well, I've been asking myself the same thing. I've done quite a bit of filming for another class that I'm doing on Creative FABRICA, and I'll just put the description box thingy below. I've done a little bit of swimming just to keep the old mental health in a good and fabulous place. And I've done quite a bit of painting that looks like this. Do you know what? I honestly can't think where this week has gone. It just seems to have zipped by. And it's Thursday already, so I think the thought of getting a properly good, edited, nicely musicked video out for tomorrow, I don't think it's going to happen. Sorry, folks. However, I will endeavour to get it out next week. Tomorrow is a special day for my family, so I'm kind of probably going to be taking the day off and go out with my little cherubs, quite big cherubs these days, to go and have lunch somewhere. Anyway, just wanted to wish you a very happy weekend. I hope you have a great time whatever you are doing, and if you're at work, particularly if you are a night worker, then thank goodness for people like you. But whatever you're doing this weekend, have a great one, and I will hopefully see you next week doing what I should be doing. I will see you next week. Nanu nanu.